Step 1.
Connect the buzzer to the wire of the floater.
Okay. Step 2. Testing.
You need a basin and a floater.
Paano ko pula?
Okay na.